Hello students, welcome to our channel Study Fact. You may know that Bachelor of Design or BDes or B.Design is an established degree in design field at undergraduate level. BDes degree is a full-time 4-year course offered in various specializations such as fashion designing, interior designing, accessory designing, textile designing and much more. Over the years, the BDes degree has evolved and now offered in various design specializations such as graphic designing, multimedia designing, VFX design, visual communication and game designing. This broadens the scope of B.Design degree with career options, opportunities in various industries as well as new technology learning. The course curriculum comprises of CAD, CAM, product development, marketing, specialization specific subjects, vocational subjects, elective subjects as well as personality and skills development subjects. Students who pursue BDes course get exposure of the design industry with internships, events, exhibitions at national as well as international level. So in this video, I will discuss about top BBA colleges across India with their courses, fees, facilities, scholarships, placements, etc. Also, you will be glad to know that we have published our study app. To know further details of the app, you have to watch the video till end. But before we begin, I want to thank all of you for joining into today's video. If you are new to our videos, please subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get more educational and informative videos. So today's discussion will be on National Institute of Design or NID in Ahmedabad. The National Institute of Design or NID was formed in 1961 and it has been a place for design education, practice and research. NID is one of the foremost multidisciplinary institutions in the area of design education and research. NID has been listed as one of the top 25 European and Asian programs in the world by the Business Week USA. By virtue of the National Industrial Act 2014, NID has been declared as Institution of National Importance by the Act of Parliament under Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India as a scientific and industrial design research organization. National Institute of Design is recognized by the Department of Scientific and Industrial Research or DSIR. The three main campuses of NID are Ahmedabad, Bangalore and Gandhinagar. National Institute of Design Ahmedabad is the first to be formed amongst the three and also known as the Heritage Campus. After Bauhaus and Ulm in Germany, NID has been a pioneer in industrial design education and is known for its pursuit of design excellence. The graduates from NID have made remarkable contributions in key sectors of commerce, industry and social development by taking role of effective catalysts. NID admission gives color to the dreams of students who seek a bright career in the world of art and design and becomes a milestone that enriches their creativity. National Institute of Design Ahmedabad opened its door to the world. As a result, many of the creative brains from different parts of the world are brought up here. Hence, NID is a venue for cultural exchange too, where the students can learn from each other. NID offers both bachelor's and master's programs with 5 faculty streams and 20 diverse design domains. With more than 55 overseas institutions, NID has a pedagogic relationship. NID has also been playing a significant role in promoting design. So let's talk about this college's facilities. NID campus of Ahmedabad offers a world-class infrastructure. The eco-friendly campus contains world-class facilities that are required for an ideal design school. Some of the most stunning highlights of the campus are art rooms for various design courses, buildings that designed to withstand the hot and dry climate of Ahmedabad, creative environment that close to the nature, a world-class library with thousands of books, studios, test labs, open-air amphitheater, workshops and lawn for cultural programs. This college offers various courses and disciplines. Some of the disciplines are industrial design, communication design, textile apparel and lifestyle design, interdisciplinary design, and IT integrated design. This college offers BDes in product design, transportation and automobile design, furniture and interior design, ceramic and glass design, toy and game design, universal design, graphic design, animation film design, film and video communication, photography design, exhibition design, textile design, apparel design, lifestyle accessory design, design for retail experience, strategic design management, design for digital experience, new media design, information and interface design, information design, digital game design, and interaction design. MDes in ceramic and glass design, furniture and interior design, product design, toy and game design, transportation and automobile design, universal design, animation film design, film and video communication, graphic design, photography design, textile design, apparel design, lifestyle accessory design, design for retail experience, strategic design management, digital game design, information design, interaction design, and new media design. This college also offers PhD in design. Next, we will know about the eligibility criteria and fees of the courses. For BDes in animation film design, exhibition design, film and video communication, graphic design, ceramic and glass design, furniture and interior design, product design, and textile design, the eligibility criteria is completed class 12 or equivalent from a recognized board. The upper age limit criteria for general category is 20 years, whereas the reserved category or SC, ST or OBC NCL is 23 years. On the other hand, for PWD category it is 25 years and foreign nationals it is 20 years. The total fees of these courses are 12.32 lakhs. For MDes in animation film design, film and video communication, graphic design, ceramic and glass design, furniture and interior design, product design and textile design, completed bachelor's degree or full-time diploma of 4 years duration. The upper age limit criteria for general category is 30 years. For reserved category like SC, ST, OBC, NCL is 33 years. For PWD category it is 35 years and foreign nationals it is 30 years. Total fees of the MDes courses are 9.03 lakhs. At last, for PhD, the eligibility criteria is secured at least 55% aggregate in qualifying degree program. Total fees is 2.14 lakhs. Application process for NIT Ahmedabad admission start in the month of October, followed by an entrance exam conducted in the month of January. Candidates who clear the written entrance exam for NIT admissions then need to appear for a studio test round that is usually conducted in the month of April or May. Result for NIT Ahmedabad admissions is declared in the month of May every year. The application mode is online. Admission in BDes and MDes courses offered at NIT Ahmedabad is based on an aspirant's performance in NIT entrance exam. All BDes courses offered at the design school are of 4 years duration and MDes programs are of 2.5 years duration. National Institute of Design Ahmedabad also has some activities. Each year many variety of activities takes place in the NIT campus. These activities helps in creating new ideas in the mind of the scholars of the institute and give wings to their artistical calibers. Some activities in the campus are NIDUS The Design Shop, Intellectual Property Rights Cell, International Center for Indian Crafts or ICIC, and Research and Publications. NIT offers many scholarships to students pursuing BDes, MDes and PhD programs on campus. NIT Ahmedabad offers monetary aid to deserving students. A range of scholarships are offered by the Institute, Government of India and Ford Foundation to the deserving and underprivileged students. Also, candidates pursuing full-time PhD program shall be eligible for a research fellowship or a wage at rates approved by the governing body of the institute. At last, let's talk about this college's placements. The NID placement cell is an interactive cell creates awareness among the firms, studios, industries, NGOs, government sector etc. about NID and the style of operations proposed by the institute for academic recruiting procedures and further recruitment. Students are encouraged by the institution to utilize their opportunities in their respective field of design, provide strategic platform and creates opportunities, pave the way for an interaction between students and the industry based on their projects. Recruit has been done in the fields of experiential design, universal design, social communication, service sectors, enhanced learning, craft design, green design, etc. National Institute of Design organizes an interface for every year to provide a meeting arena where the future employers and students can meet and employers can identify desirable candidates. Major recruiters are Wipro, Microsoft, Myntra, Amazon, HP, IBM, VIP, Philips, Trident Group, Toshiba, Titan, etc. Friends, you can find the contact number, address, email, website and online admission link of the college in this video's description. Friends, recently we launched our study app. In the app, you will get college information, career guidance videos, chapter-wise suggestions and it has a special feature which is Find Local Teacher. You will also get the app download link in this video's description. So thank you friends to be with us throughout the video. If this video seems to be informative to you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to click on the bell icon to never miss further updates. Friends, if you want a video on a particular college, feel free to let us know in the comment section. Also, if I missed some points about this college that you know, you can also mention that. So that's all for now. I will be back with another video discussing about another college. Till then, goodbye.